So students, we are just discussing about the chemical effect. So in this question, whenever I am talking about the electric current can produce. So electric current can produce heating effect only, chemical effect only, or magnetic effect only, or the chemical heating and magnetic effect only. So here is very simple thing we have to understand that whenever we are passing that electric current cause a chemical reaction. Okay, and when it passes through the conduction solution, so this chemical effect of that electric current, it means that whenever we are just going to understand that electric current passes through the bulb, so here that medium is changed, it is just passing through the bulb, its filament get heated, and what happened that bulb will glow. It means that is also the heating effect. So in this bulb will glow, it means that filament is get heated and bulb start glowing. So students, this is the heating effect of the electric current, right? So current is producing what? Heating. And when the electric current is passes through the circuit, after that what happened, like you are having the circuit, and through that circuit, it produces the one field like magnetic effect. So that magnetic effect, if you are going to put iron nail nearby of this circuit, so what happened that that magnetic field will be attracting that material. Why? Because the particular materials are already magnetic material. So here the right answers of this particular thing. So electric current can produce heating effect also, chemical effect also, as well as the magnetic effect also. So I hope this answer is clear. If anyone have not clear, then you can write in a chat. Next question, students, you see. Second question. So in the second question, you see. Here the Bujo and Paheli perform the experiments taking similar bulb. What is happening that? This I am talking about the bulb. So this type of that particular circuit inside of this type of symbol, it shows that we have taken bulb. So taking the similar bulb and cells, but two different solution A and B. So here is having that in this beaker is having some solution. So solution A and solution B. Now this figure, I think you understand, in this have the battery, this is battery, this is battery, and this is connecting medium. So this is wire, if I'm talking about the wire, and this is beaker, and this two wire is just come into the water. So you understand this diagram? Let us see what is the question. After this, Bujo has already performed the experiments taking the similar bulb and cells, but it means the battery capacity is also same, like a cell is a what? That is the capacity like having, so that capacity is same capacity in the B bulb also. So in this and this, both are having the capacity of this cell is a equal. So it is equal. Now, after that, they found that the bulb in the setup. So after that, they found that the bulb in the setup glow more brightly. It means that I have already shown you that whenever we are just doing in the solid experiments, so we got it as something like when the bulb will glow. So more brightly it was just coming whenever I took in the copper, and when we are just keeping that iron, you have seen that effect it was doing, but it was solid. It was solid. Here I am just talking about that liquid. So they found the bulb in the setup A glow more brightly. It means that in this, the bulb will glow more brighter as compared to the setup B. In this, little bit less. So it is greater and it is less. Fine. So the higher current is flowing through the current in setup A, higher current is flowing through the circuit in a setup B, or equal current is flowing both the circuit and the current flowing through the circuit in the two setup cannot be compared in manner. So here students, I want to tell you about that. They found that the bulb in the setup A glow more brightly as compared to the setup of B. So what is the right answers? Here the three students have raised the hand. So one thing is important, we have to understand about that. The right answers will be, you write in chat. I will see that things in the chat. So what is it? Fine. So answer in this chat, you must have to write A1. You are absolutely correct. So here is that A is a higher current is flowing through the circuit. That's why bulb will glow very fast. So if I talk about this comparison, so that because the solution is a good conductor of that electricity compared to the B, so it allows the complete electric. So this solution, whenever I talk about, so the solution of this, if I talk about this particular in this, the bulb will glow. So bulb will glow more brighter. Okay. So more brighter, okay, flowing through it, and I have already shown about that brightly. So we can understand, okay, brightly, that is A. Why A? Why A? Because you know that in this A, whenever I talk about in this A is having a particular like solution. So in this have that solution which are the good conductor of electricity. So the solution is a good conductor. It means that solution is good conductor. Okay. So that whenever I talk about that, okay. So whenever I talk about conducting, good conducting this electricity, so that is the good